Good morning, guys. Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? Good morning, everyone. So, ito pa ako, guys. Nagko-coffee pa si Inday nyo, guys. Ayan. Masarap ang coffee early in the morning. Mainit-init pa talaga, guys. So, kumusta kayo? I hope your day is great and you have a good morning. And morning is great too. Ang init, ang sarap. So, kape tayo, guys. Yummy. Ang init. So, kumusta ang araw niyo dyan, guys? I hope na magandang araw niyo dyan. Maganda ang morning. O, diba? So, yun lang update natin, guys, this morning. Tayo ay nakaligo na at nakapag-coffee na din tayo. So, sa mga hindi pa nag-coffee dyan, coffee na din kayo dyan. Shout out sa mga coffee lover dyan na hindi talaga pwede na hindi maka-coffee sa isang araw. Oh, 'di ba? So, sa buong araw hindi talaga pwede na hindi makapag-coffee ba? O, 'di ba, guys? So, shout out sa inyong lahat diyan. Sabay-sabay na tayo mag-coffee, guys. So, have a great day, everyone. Guys, good afternoon to all of you. So, ito ako, guys. So, feeling relaxing na ako at this moment, guys, no? Kasi kakatapos ko lang naglaba kanina, guys, no? So, ngayon, bagong lunch lang din ako, guys. So, feeling relax muna tayo, guys, saglit. Kasi masaya na, guys, nakapaglaba na din tayo, nakapagpalit na din tayo, pagtanggal na ng mga bedsheet or ano, guys, o, diba? So, feeling fresh na, guys. So, yun, dito muna tayo, guys. Relaxing at this moment. So, buti na lang, nag-init ang panahon, guys. Oh, kanina akala ko mag-ulan na naman, guys. Kasi kakasampay ko lang, kumilimlim. Nako, medyo na ano na naman ako ulit. So, buti nga nag-init, guys. So, I hope na you have a nice day din dyan, guys. You have a great... So, hello, guys. May kape na naman tayo. Coffee time. Of course, si Miming andyan. Waiting na naman, guys, ang panahon natin. So, okay. Hello, guys. So, yun ang feel fresh, may hangin, wala masyadong init. So, very good naman. So, Miming is there, as you can see, guys. Hala, si Miming, guys. No, we are here. Hello. Say to hello over there. Okay. Thank you so much. Miming is here. I think you are hungry already. Ming, no? Now? Hello, sus, I face. Oh, you look so cute, Ming. Thank you. Hala, hello, do a bite? Thank you so much. Napaka-cute mo naman, Ming. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And keep safe, everyone. Have a blessed day to all of us. And a nice and a wonderful day ahead, guys. So, bye-bye. Bye. With Mimi.